Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In this video I'm going to talk about filament, and especially for if we go to form builder, we have here the builder. Okay, so we can create blocks, and I think this is, for me at least, what we need to build a block. So we need only this builder, and we can add, for example, heading, paragraph, we can add the image and so on. And I have created an example, a project. Here is the project. Here I have created a post, and this is the post. I have displayed here the user, the created art, the title, and here is the body with heading 2. This is a paragraph, an image, and also some code here. As I told you, I have used this builder. And now, here I am in the admin area. We have the user, which belongs to post to this user. We have a title and the slug. And then we have this body. For the body, I have used the blocks. And here I have added heading 2, heading 3, paragraph, and image, and also code. Okay, we can add more. For example, we can heading 2, heading 3, and let me just zoom a little bit. So scroll down, we can add paragraph, image, code. You can add more customization here, but just the idea is I have added them, and then we have something like this. So title, the paragraph, and so on. You can reorder if you like, but for now let's open the VS Code or PHP Storm, and here I am in the show blade. First, let's see. Yeah, here I have added the user, display the user. Okay, the username, also the publish date, then the title. We have this header with the address for that user and also the created art, then a h1 to display the post title. Then I have a body here. Okay, body is yeah, here is the body. And for the body, I told you I have used this block from Filament, the builder, which built some blocks. And I make a for each, because this is going to be an array for each body, post body as body, and check if a body type, because we have a type, is heading 2. I'm going to render this heading 2 component, passing the body data content. And also, if I open the post resource, just let's show you the, yeah, here I have. Now, first I added a select for the user ID, then a text input for the title, and then components builder, or this builder, but I named components builder here. Let me show you. Yeah, a builder as a components builder, and then here I make a body and add blocks. First is the heading 2. So components builder block, make heading 2 schema, and then here I added the text input, make content. The label is heading 2 required. You can add all the headings in here, but I just prefer to have something like this, because I'm going to show you why. Also here for the heading 3, text input, make content, and as you can see I have for all of them make a content. Okay, so heading 2 build a block, and then text input, make content, text input, make content. For the paragraph, also text area, make content. For the image, file upload, make content. Also here I used for the code, and I have installed a package for the a plugin for the filament, and say code editor, make content. And we have on the backend something like this. So for the code, yeah, this is the this code editor. Also, I added the text input, which is this is outside of the builder. Okay, I will show now. I checked if the body type is heading 2. Okay, so make heading 2. I'm going to render this X heading 2 component, and if I open that heading 2 component, let me just open. Here I have the props content, and then saying head 2 display the content. Also I put that in this div. Okay, so passing the content, which is body data content. And also else if the data type, the body type is paragraph, rendering the paragraph component. If the body type is image, and so on. Now the beauty of this is because you can, for example, this code, you can customize how you want. Let me just open the code component. And for example, here I have used the torchlight to render the code here. Okay, passing the props, the content as a prop, and then rendering that content, and we have something like this here. Okay, you can customize the heading 2 or paragraph or the image. So let's go to image, for example. Let's open that image component, and I'm going to say on the image I'm going to add a class. Let's say rounded large. Come here, and now we have a rounded large on the image. So you can customize how you like. You can add more sections here or more blocks. And I have rendered like this, but if you want instead of something like this, if else and so on, let me just comment this one, and we can do rendering a dynamic component. So we can say x dash dynamic component, and here now let's say component, and because the type, so the type is matching the component name, as you can see here and here, I'm going to say $sign body and say type. Okay, then also we need to add the content. So let's say yeah, we need to close this. Let's say here :content, which is going to be able with $sign body data content. And now is the same as this one. So this line of code is the same as this. Let's see if I come here. Yeah, we have the same thing. So for example, let's change the heading 2. I'm going to open the, or we don't have there. So let's open the heading 2, and I'm going to say on this heads 2, I'm going to add a class to say let's say text indigo, for example, indigo 400. If I come here, now we have the text heading 2. Okay, you can reorder them. For example, instead of having the heading 2 and heading 3 like this, let me just move the image here. Then we have that paragraph, the heading 3, paragraph, and the code. I think now we are okay. Just let me save this, save the changes, come here, and instead of this, now we have heading 2, the image, heading 3, then the paragraph, and then the code. Okay friends, that's it what I wanted to show you in this video. I think Builder is what we need to build a blog. With Filament we can customize how we want. Also we can customize the view, and on the view is very easy to render, so just make a for each the body, or if you name something like this, no problem, and render the components like this: X dynamic component, passing the component body type, and the content body data content. Okay friends, now if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.